Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. Yeah, it's heading into the expected direction, further upside, which is amazing. It broke above the previous wave 4 high, and really glad how this is developing. So it has basically reached the target for the third wave. We can just double check that again, but after we made that 1-2 setup down there and completed that, I gave you a target for the third wave, and this is textbook what it's doing here, honestly. I mean, when it rallied here, and I gave you that sort of support area for a wave 2 as a possible entry point, it adhered perfectly. It reached the golden ratio, which is an ideal support area for a wave 2. It then rallied. Yeah, I gave you the 1.618 extension as a target at 268. Yeah, it reached it perfectly, and it actually stopped there now. So we now need to be ready that a wave 4 pullback could occur. That would not negate the bullish scenario and higher targets. It's actually part of that. You now need at some point some kind of a setback. Now, at the moment, I have no indication. Well, we have a very early indication that the wave 4 might have started because it reached the 1.618 extension, got rejected. But it's no different to what we did here and here. This is just sort of a small volatility. What we want to get now is a decent wave 4 pullback, and I'm going to give you the support area in this video for the wave 4. If we don't even get into this support area, it's an indication that the wave 4 hasn't started yet. But the wave 4 would be a potential area to add to your position. Now, that's no financial advice, but that's one possible, for a pullback trader, possible option to add. Bear in mind that we should then, that this is basically only to trade the wave 5, because the wave 5 will most likely end this first move of a possible A wave then, yeah? And then we should come down in a B wave. That would probably be the next valid entry point or attractive entry point in terms of risk and reward. And then you could trade the C wave to the upside. So the wave 4 is typically only a shallow pullback. So let's try and take a look at that. We are going to measure here the wave 3 length, and looking at a support area for a fourth wave. We typically look at the area between the 50% retracement and the 23.6 retracement. So between 257 and 244 here on natural gas spot. Now, again, very early indication it might have started. It's a bit too early. If we get to 257, we can be certain that this is most likely a fourth wave. If it drops below 244, this would challenge the bullish scenario a little bit, because as you can see, so far we've really only rallied in 3 waves, so we need the 5, okay? But if we get this 4th and the 5th, then we have further confirmation for this structure. Then we can wait for a B wave low as another possible support area, and trend reversal point to trade the C wave to the upside, yeah, in the 4th wave. What else to say? Now, I will be able to give you a target for the 5th wave as soon as we have a low in for the 4th. This 4th wave could be a sideways correction, yeah, rather shallow sideways flat pattern or a triangle, typically, okay? So that's what we now need to be watching out for. Highlighted here in orange, not green, because it's not really a main entry point. It's more like a add to it. It depends on your strategy. Right. Again, the possibility is there that the wave 2 was already in, yeah, and that we're already rallying in the 3rd wave. Then this would escalate further. Then this would be a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, a wave 5. We would get 5 large waves instead of an ABC. But it's too early for that. Yeah, we can't confirm that yet, but we know the potential is there. And that's why we had down here the potential of upside in both scenarios, in the bearish and the bullish case. And this is playing out now. Okay, that's my update about Natgas. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.